Hi friends, welcome to my channel Natural Living. Today I am showing you some acupressure points for eye problems and eye related all the problems. It can be treated by one point and that will be really good. These days, like small kids and youngsters, women's like me, everybody is using our work. Everybody is related with the mobiles, gadget and computers. So our guys, our eyes are having so much strains, light of the computer, which makes our eyes weaker, and it sometimes we are decreasing our eyesight also. We just got very soon kids are having specs, because they are also studying in the laptops, playing game, gadgets, Xbox, so their eyes are also soon they lost their eyesight and power. So they used to wearing specs, so this simple remedy, this simple acupressure point, if you're pressing your meridian points in your hand and leg, so you can improve your eyesight as well as dry eye syndrome, which the glands which create lubricant in our eyes that started getting dried due to the excessive stress in the eye, pain, eye headache, it will release. It makes brighten your eyes, shiny eyes, and you feel relax in your eyes. So here we start. This is our hand and you have to find out this area. This is the first finger, second finger, and you just need to press this area in between of two finger of this area. You have to press it. This is the right hand, so right hand, this point is connected to the right eye. You have to press it like that. Even you can press it by your thumb. This part in the between of this part, you have to press it every day. You can press it like 1 to 2 minutes. Whenever you are free, you can do it. Straight your hand. Whenever you are free, you can press this point. And in a day or two, you can feel like your eyes have a stress, pain, heaviness, inflammation. It will be getting reduced like these things. And then you have to press this. This is the kidney point. Whenever you are pressing your eye point, you have to press this kidney point also. This is just a center of your hand. You saw this line, this heart line in the middle of this. You have to press. You can, if you're tired with the thumb, you can use anything like this. You can press it with the pencil and the help of the, just in between of, like, you find this thing, you have to press this area this is the eye point of the right eye. And then give me the left hand, and this same like first finger, second finger, and the middle part, and this area similarly, this area will be this you have to press. This is the left hand, so this is related to the left eye. You have to press. You have to give the pumping pressure. Just press it and release. Press it and release. Similarly, after pressing this point, you have to press the kidney point. This is middle of the hand, just a center of the point. So you have to press this kidney point also. Just to give the pumping pressure. And this is, you can self-treat yourself like this. If you're treating myself, if I wanted to treat myself, I just use my hand and I press it like this kidney point. And then this is my eye. This is my left hand, left eye. Similarly, right hand, press it by the right hand and the kidney point. Soon you will realize that this is working, and your stress, your pain, your dry eyes, your eyes will be started moisturized, and there is no harm, no side effect, not a single penny you have to spend on. So I believe you like it and it will really helpful for you guys. And if you like it, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any question related to my video, you can comment, you can ask me. Definitely, I'll definitely reply your questions. And if you have any other problem, definitely, if you are looking for the natural remedy, please ping it, please comment. I will definitely reply and make a video for your problem. Thank you. Stay tuned and stay healthy. Bye-bye.